Today I'm going to speak a little bit about the canvas in PnID. The canvas itself is made up of small squares that measure 12 pixels by 12 pixels. This square measures 12 pixels by 12. This one, because there's two squares, is 24 pixels by 24. 3 squares by 3 is 36. The heavier lines on the grid indicate 120 pixels. So that's 10 squares by 12 pixels equals 120. I'm going to select this line. This line takes up a space of 1 pixel. If I go to the right side panel, I can change my snap pixels from anything from 1 through to 24. On choosing any of these, you can see that the handles significantly increase in size. I'll go back to 1 and see that the handle on each end of the line or at each corner of a square increases in size as the snap pixel increases. So to work on a more detailed drawing, you would use a snap pixel of either 1, 2 or 3. I'm going to select this line. This line on the grid is taking up 1 pixel space. I can move this line from here to here, either holding down the control button on my keyboard and dragging it along, and that little steps are 1 pixel movements. I can also use my keyboard arrows. So the left keyboard arrow, selecting both of these, I would have to hit it 12 times in order for it to get back here. If I change the snap setting to 3, again holding down the control button on my keyboard, grabbing one of the handles, if I start to move this, it's moving in 3 pixel increments. I can place this anywhere on the grid. Best practice is to fit it onto the grid lines for better accuracy. If I change this one to 6 pixels, again the handles are significantly bigger. Again, I hold the control button down on my keyboard, grab one of the handles, and this box is now moving down in 6 pixel increments. The last one I'll do is 12 pixels. Hold down the control button and move. That's moving in 12 pixel increments. Using the canvas and the snap pixels at the right setting will allow you to have greater accuracy when placing lines or text within the dashboard. Thanks for watching.